Let me show you a very cool side hustle that anyone can start today from the comfort of their home, where you can make $3 in 5 minutes, $10 in 20 minutes, $20 in 40 minutes, and $30 in 60 minutes. The best part is you don't need any experience, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection, and all you're doing is you're testing websites and apps to give your exact feedback. So head over to userfeel.com, and then all you need to do is come to the top right here and click on Get Paid to Test. You can see right here that you can become a tester of websites and apps and earn anywhere from $3 to $30 per test. All you need to become a tester is you need to have either a Windows or a Mac computer or mobile phone or tablet. And all you need to get paid is a PayPal account, and if you don't have one, you can sign up for free at paypal.com. Now, if testing websites isn't your thing and you want to find out exactly how you can make more full-time income, go ahead and just follow me on my channel. Click on the link in the descriptions to go through my training, and I'm going to show you exactly how I generate 5 figures every single month, 100% online from home. See you there.